Changed jobs and wondering what to do with your old 401k? If the rollover process seems complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're moving a 401k to Schwab the right way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A rollover transfers your retirement savings from your old employer's plan to a Schwab IRA, giving you more control and investment options. Step 1. Open a rollover IRA at Schwab. Before you start, you'll need a rollover IRA account. If you don't have one, Schwab's website will guide you through opening it specifically for this purpose. Step 2. Let Schwab handle the heavy lifting. Once your rollover IRA is open, use Schwab's Transfer an Account tool. Select Retirement Plan as the source, and Schwab will guide you through the process, often handling communication with your old 401k provider. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Request a direct rollover to avoid taxes and penalties. When initiating the transfer, always choose a direct rollover. This means the money goes straight from your old 401k to Schwab. If you take a check payable to you, your old plan must withhold 20% for taxes. So, just like that, you can consolidate your retirement savings and take control of your investments. A smooth rollover goes a long way in simplifying your financial life. Now I'm curious, have you consolidated multiple old 401ks, or is this your first time doing a rollover? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.